Hello guys, we're in Ayia Napa Cyprus. Here's a list of places you should see if you plan to come here.
Nissi Beach is a very popular beach from Ayia Napa Cyprus and took its name from the small island nearby, which can be easily reached on foot through the shallow waters. Water sports are also available here. You have to get up early in the morning if you want to find any sunbeds available, because it is a crowded beach most of the time. The bar near the beach is also very popular with tourists and locals. It plays good music and fun parties are organized here throughout the day. The snorkeling experience around Nissi Island is one of the best we've had. You will find sea urchins here as well as different species of colorful fish. Next one is Lachi Adams Beach, which is also famous, and it is located just near Nissi Beach. It's small, with crystal blue waters and golden sands, and may be easily reached by swimming from Nissi Beach. Secret Bridge is a natural stone arch located near Vatia Agonia Beach, and it's a beautiful setting for sunset pictures. Makronissos Beach was actually our favorite beach, with white sand and incredibly clear waters. Although popular, it is less crowded than Nissi. You can easily spend a whole day here, sunbathing, snorkeling, doing water sports and exploring the area. In addition, you can visit the Macronissos archaeological site nearby, a group of 8 ancient family tombs. No worries, they are empty. A great activity you should not miss is a boat trip around the coastal area. There are plenty of boat types to choose from: submarine-like, pirate ships, glass bottoms, and so on. Whatever your choice, you should know they have a similar route along the coast with stops for swimming. You can book your trip online or on the spot at the harbor. There are various options. We chose one that included lunch on board. The sea caves are a popular attraction of the area for the view and for cliff jumping. The jumping height is around 10 meters, so if you are brave enough to take the leap, maybe it's best to have had some experience before. Cape Greco is a part of a protected natural park, and up on the top you will find the Kavos viewpoint, the highest point of the Ayia Napa area. You can reach it by car and then a few minutes walk to the top. The panoramic view upon the Mediterranean Sea is breathtaking.
Guys, this is the view from Cape Greco, so if you come to Ayia Napa, don't miss this point. Wonderful.
Our first swim stop was at the Blue Lagoon, which is another beautiful place for snorkeling. Soon after that we passed by Camara Tucoraca, which is another natural stone arch, and also some other natural caves in the rocky wall. And soon after that, a small church. Fig Tree Bay is a must-see beach in the Protaras area, which is great for spending a whole day at. Snorkeling, swimming, water sports, and so on. If you want to spend a relaxed afternoon, we recommend taking a stroll in the sculpture park. It is a wonderful project with statues created by artists from 40 countries, with themes as nature, sea, mythology, folklore, and so on. Every piece tells a story. Ayia Napa Monastery, which is currently in restoration, but should not be missed. The iconic tower looks beautiful in the golden hours. A walking tour of the city is also an activity which I would recommend, but a better option is to rent a buggy car, because it is really fun to drive it around and explore the area. Thalassa Museum, the Sea Museum, is a great activity if you want to stay in the shade. You can take a trip down the history lane and see exhibits from prehistorical times until today. They host a beautiful collection of seashells, ancient artifacts, art, pottery, marine life and a real-size replica of a very old ship. Also, you can see its remains found on the bottom of the sea. We enjoyed it very much.
So this behind me is Konos Bay. We plan to spend the day here and do some snorkeling and hopefully find some turtles because this is a famous turtle area.
Encountering the sea turtles was such a fortunate surprise for us. But please be mindful, they should not be fed, touched or disturbed in any way. Some of them have scars and cracks on their shields, probably from being hit by boats. They are wild animals and if we are lucky enough to see them in their natural habitat, we must remember we are the ones invading their space, therefore our presence should not affect them in any way.
Hi guys, this was our last day in Ayia Napa and what you see behind me is Konos Bay. For us it was the best beach and the best experience. We did some snorkeling around and we were lucky enough to encounter 3 turtles while swimming and it was amazing, the best experience we had. So please check it out if you come here and you will not regret it. Bye!